Welcome everyone to this More Life channel now with background music, thanks to the previous FPGA MIDI stuff. But don't worry, we will not just listen to this music and fiddle around with it like in the previous live stream, but while at it I thought it's probably a good idea, also bear my 2 minutes. Yeah, last release of Project Trellis and Yosis, last release 2019. It's a recurring theme here, earlier release often. Not sure what's, although I read on Twitter there's quite some personal drama with companies claiming sort of ownership of some vision. Anyway, so yeah, some personal stuff as usual. But yeah, we have already a snapshot, and I thought continuing FPGA stuff, probably pretty many bugs and improvements since then. And so what better than also updates this here live on this channel. So this would be, yeah, this is new web stuff, right? Just copying this now, so making it more difficult than necessary. Use this. I've not tried. Thank you very much. This might actually be a Linux thing. Yeah, I just wanted to. Because this might. This is also 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so much to. Might not paste with the middle mouse button there. Maybe like that. Let's see. Might lead to drop frames, does it? Did this do something? Use this here, maybe, hopefully. Let's see. And for that we also have Project Trellis for the ECP. That would be, just let's try the latest and greatest revision, because why not? Alright, these are actually two, so much to even this database stuff 11 days ago. Let's see, I think I packaged them both in one package into 2. Yeah, I wish they would release more often. Do we have it? Wait a second, parents, something, commit. Is this to actually we can copy this from there. Cannot find. What's going on? It could also be ABC or anything else. It's using some uses. What's going on here? Warning something. Uses filter like unsupported argument to option R. What LTO clang? Why is it using clang or ABC? Some strange stuff. I actually was wondering, so this ABC is some BSD or Berkeley ABC stuff. I was already previously thinking to build this separately. Sorry, we had this in previous video. Let's switch to Lotus 2. ABC, so I patched this already previously. I guess we built with TempFSO. And leave me in the comments below if you want this programming stuff always with 90s background music. Because certainly we can't live stream the latest and greatest because, or even 70s, whatnot, because copyright. control. See this already. We are mostly interested in what they changed in building ABC. Config clang. Yeah. Maybe we should then build with... I also wish projects wouldn't have this kind of stuff. With GCC, like, just leave our compiler stuff in peace. Or maybe we just with better sorting. So, trellis. Das ist hier Checks und Tests. Also the DB things, so the DB we want the latest and greatest database stuff. Database is, as far as I've seen, the database of FPGA stuff, of what features, what cells, what LUTs and stuff. So 1, 2, 3, so they usually use 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, is this 3? Oh no, we deleted one too many, shit. Should always delete at the end. Oops. Mouse wheel, I press, touch the mouse wheel. My OS and stuff will certainly not have crazy mouse wheel support in the terminal. I made the same mistake again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where did I? 2, 1. We need this here also. So this uses build. Thankfully now Project Trellis, that is for the ECP. There is also Ice Storm for the lattice Ice. Previous video. So Ice Storm. Let's see, do they also have this at Ice Storm here? Let's see what's also December. Yeah, also quite some. What did we? Yeah, we also have a snapshot. When was the latest? I probably need to message Clay. I mean, they probably know what they're doing, as they are pretty amazing professionals. But release early, no release yet. Nah. Maybe that's why we have a Git snapshot. Anyway, release early, release often. Maybe they just think it's not ready. But even if it's not ready, call it 0.1 or 0.5 or 0.9. In my opinion, everything better than no. release and everything better than hanging nodes for whatever reason. So iStorm, update iStorm. Trial is also built. Last time I did this Project Trial stuff, ECP PLL stuff, changed incompatibility. So right now with the SD controller on the ULX3S, I'm actually running previously computed PLL values because somehow that caused major instability. So whatever they changed with the ECC PLL stuff, I probably should have messaged them. But somehow that resulted in, so the same ECC PLL for the phase locked loop parameter stuff resulted in completely changed parameters, and that wasn't stable anymore. So whatever, maybe there's some new bug or new feature. Previously there was a bug, I don't know, but probably phase and whatnot. So yeah, whatever. So let's synthesize this. I have no idea if this was this. Obviously I've just updated this, so ULX not source Pico RB32 Pico sock, that is our stuff here, and let's just touch here the something and make ULX3S bitstream was probably bit. So let's see what happens and if it still works. But yeah, recurring theme, running an open source distribution, daily package updates and testing. Yeah, didn't sound the most amazing, but nah. What else did we like? Let's, oops, this was also wrong. Lotus, Star Trek, Doom, didn't like, not so super greatest. Yeah, to be honest, this Lotus stuff was one of the better sounding. But if you have an amazing MIDI file you want to have featured, then leave me comments below. So this still, do we have already max clock of that? I think I run the switch. Do we have a global net clock? What was the... Oh, wait a second, failed? Why does this fail now? Does this significantly regress or what? There's of course the danger of upgrading your FPGA toolchain, whether your previously working stuff still works. Somehow the... I mean, I could emerge the previous stuff, but I mean, maybe they... Global 25, I guess the risk 5 should be running on this one, so whether this will still work? Let's see what happens when we flash that. I also slightly wonder why I think this is still synthesized. Oh, wait a second, now it passes, so maybe this was some... what have we done here? Maybe this was some first estimate and then further routing this. Maybe they changed something. Now this was looking there wrong. Because if it doesn't pass the design for the specified target frequency, it should error out. Anyway, let's see if... The last time I did this, I had major... Because we run the SDRAM at the relatively max clock. I have here some mem tests. Let's capital M mem test for the SDRAM controller. I probably also should rewrite the mem test thing, because I think right now I'm filling it completely and then testing it. Not sure if I ever rewrote that, but if we fill a little bit on the SDRAM controller. Maybe we should fill like write, read, write, read. Right now I'm doing this whole 64 megabyte of whopping megabyte, more than your 486 or Pentium probably had back in the day. Currently I'm writing everything and then reading everything. Yeah, probably path that still. I probably should check if the ECC PLL stuff in the meantime changed in some way. Don't have SDRAM though. SDRAM, I mean SD card. Let's try to reset that. Let's see if that is memtest rated. So yeah, not only commercial tools, also open tools. You run majorly new versions and stuff doesn't. Also, yeah, test cases. Certainly, I have way too little test cases. Should be synthetic test cases for all of this design stuff. Let's try that again with AutoMemTest. The drawback is, of course, running your fancy MIDI music on the... this probably maybe was memtest rated. The stuff is still coming out of there. So, I'm slightly tempted to previous videos, this quad-core RISC-V stuff, where I simply tested other people's design in bitstream. This thing is, it's written in Spinal HDL. That is a little bit turning me down, but otherwise it would be quite interesting to do a real high performance pipeline RISC-V stuff, but yeah. So yeah, at least on a first glance, the basic stuff still working. Oops, shit. I pressed something so much too. All I wanted was switching the terminal. So yeah, as usual, T2 continues to remain leading open electronic toolchain distribution, in case you were wondering. iStorm. What else did we had? By the way, I think we have KiCat, don't we, or KiCat? Yeah, we have. There's a new version. Okay, this doesn't update check apparently, or does it with? No. Oh, Launchpad. Probably should send them a note here though. Send this merge request. That probably should do that though, because nothing more than shameless self-promotion. Source code 517. Do they have like? Can we? Here. Cool. I guess we can use this as source. What we have here, one. Oops. Copy and paste in the 21st century. No, why not? Should this not match to? Strange. Strange stuff. Okay, anyway, another day. Okay, that also Probably I should do some PCB for something, just for the... Oh, there's also a G set now. Maybe this is why this didn't. No? Okay, another day. Probably I should test also that this works. I think I probably fired it up. I have not yet done anything with it except probably test starting this, so maybe there might be more library or footprint and symbols and whatnot missing. Probably we need to package all of that. Probably should design a PMod someday, like audio and MIDI. Probably that would be matching, right? Slightly wondering this, why does this not HTTP? I think this should match. Anyway, okay, what do they have here? Something, package standard, spice. Spice library, next generation spice. Yeah, this is amazing. Tones there. Not a fan of whatever is going on with that MIDI. Not installed edit, so yeah, not sure if it... Oh, wait. Not sure if it was that one, but we will see. Maybe it's another one, or is it Spice MG? No. Maybe that is... 2021, even brand new. License. License details kit. Do they have browsable or yeah. to be filled later. Does this load with this bloody source forge? No, HTML compressed, thank you very much. Does this... yeah. Let's tone that down, maybe this continues, we will see. Still no NG. Yeah, so it probably wants specifically that one that I just package. Yeah. Problem is they often change. Source forge maybe. I think I noticed already that they changed the mirroring system URL stuff. Let's see. It's probably some tiny little detail that we should do differently with this MIDI player, not to have this copy download link. Where did this go to? The project, right, project. Maybe that is how they currently want this. Oh, wait a second, I had projects. Maybe this is why, maybe they want this there, this ng spice rework. Let's see if that works. Yeah. Wonder what's going on with this MIDI file though. Oh, there came something. Let's see if it builds often kind of exotic package is a little bit annoying to build. Let's see what happens. Maybe we are surprised by configure make install. At least it didn't. Problem is on this Epic Thread Ring Horizon, if something doesn't just build it, you see it in a second. But okay, font config we actually yeah, so much to nothing we couldn't quirk. I guess theoretically if it doesn't check includes, we maybe also need -l compile and that otherwise. I guess maybe I should make this a quirk function of T2 helper of doing this automatically, like -a, not like conditional if compile then include otherwise. That. Let's maybe without G-Spice. What did we run? Configure. So much too exotic package. Doesn't configure make install. Turns out it does. Quite some warnings. Redundant redeclaration. Yeah, thank you very much. How we love projects and packages that build with so much verbose random stuff. Hey, linking ng spice. Might that work? Turbo boosting to 7.5 GHz. Previous video, latest Linux kernel feature. Hey, and we built. Let's try that again. Speaking of, I'm really urgently waiting for the latest and greatest bug fixes because too many monolithic Linux kernel bugs, obviously. So yeah, win. Not only updating the latest and greatest packages, but also, which did we even play, by the way? Was this? I think it was really getting a little bit boring, the same trick. Yeah, just regular fun of maintaining your own Linux distribution. What could possibly go wrong? Really want to squeeze more performance out of that though. We run at 40 megahertz, yeah, 40, yeah, it's running at, I think, 10 megahertz already. Let's try that again. What does KiCad do now? And of course, as we can already commit. Still missing something. And G-Spice, yeah, still doesn't find that though. Yeah, guess for some other day. What? Oops. Good that we checked that before committing. Let's see how that goes. And what else did it want here? nphsa, does it also find package? Is this the same or something? Find, oh wait a second, find. We will see. Okay, OCE, but I think we made here progress, so this is now the next. Do we have OCE? So much to win-win. Can't never package too many or enough. I have the feeling, sorry, OCE will find a lot of stuff like Canon production printing. Which one should that be? Maybe that, Open Cascade? Probably, huh? Okay, anyway, I have to go. Continue packaging that another day. Also, spring is close. Lighting conditions improve here, I guess, I hope. Anyway, hope you learned something. Leave in the comments below if you want to continue this theme with good old-fashioned MIDI soundtrack here. At least this stuff still synthesizes, maybe even hopefully better than before, certainly hundreds, if not thousands of features and bug fixes in uses, trailers and ice storms since then. And if you're new to this channel, hey, here's an open source FPGA toolchain and other ASIC stuff, super amazing stuff. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon for all even more fun and open source development and packaging to come.